the Battle of I-75 makes its way to the softball diamond. Toledo trying to snap a 4-game losing streak to start conference play. And the Rockets are tasked with a tough task facing Peyton Gottshall, who in the circle continues to silence hitters and has the chance to work her way up the program's career strikeout list. Game 1 of the series out in Bowling Green, battling the wind. Top 3, Peyton Gottshall freezes reigning MAC Player of the Year Dana Denner. One of her 7 Ks, and the right-hander keeps the Rockets off the board. Home half bases juice for Peyton. Dolish draws the walk and plates another run. It's 4-0 Falcons. Bottom of the 5th, Bailey Sample laces one up the middle. The Falcons go on to extend their lead out to 6, and Lexi Carver adds to it. An RBI double to left. Carver caps a 3-run inning, makes it 7-0 Falcons. In the 6th, Gottshall continues to deal from inside the circle. Strikes out the side for the 3rd time on the day. 15 total punch-outs for the sophomore. Toledo does avoid the shutout, plating 1 in the 7th at 7-1 Falcons. The final from Game 1, Peyton Gottshall moves up to 2nd place on the Falcons' career strikeout list.
I didn't think I really had a pitch that wasn't on. I was able to really move the zone, make my pitches work, and really get them swinging. It means a lot to me, especially because my fiance, he actually plays football at Toledo. So it's always nice getting a good win over them and really sticking it to him.
Mason Lowry and Steve Ronkowitz join us from Bowling Green.
Back out here at Missouri Field, Peyton Gottshall, the outstanding Bowling Green pitcher, was the story again, but with 15 strikeouts, I think Peyton Gottshall on strikes might be a more appropriate name.
Yeah, indeed. She was dealing again. I'll tell you what, it was tough out here. She said again, first inning was tough to try and figure out how to get a grip on the softball today. But she finds a way. 15 strikeouts in this game. She was in command throughout. Toledo finally able to put across a run in the last inning, but for the most part, you know, she just really dominated this game.
Peyton Gottshall is somebody that has struck out over 200 batters this year, and in contrast, the Toledo pitching staff really had a rough go of it this afternoon. Too many walks from Sophia Knight, their freshman starter in particular.
Yeah, she had a real tough go. A lot of pitches that were close to strikes just didn't get called strikes. On a different day, maybe they would have been, but she put a lot of runners on. Bowling Green really wasn't able to capitalize early on. They left bases loaded in the first 3 innings. You wondered, hey, you know, it's kind of one of those days where you kind of let Toledo hang around, but finally when all was said and done, they were able to put 7 runs on the board.
A couple of positives for Toledo players that came off the bench. Annika Johnson came in and pitched pretty well. Sydney McKeever got on base and in fact scored Toledo's only run in the 7th inning. Players we might see again tomorrow who didn't start this game.
Yeah, Toledo's got some openings and they're looking for players to step up. Second base, first base, those are places that, you know, those positions are to be had. See who's going to be able to step up and find a way.
We'll see what happens. 2 more here between Toledo and Bowling Green tomorrow at Missouri Field.